Today I'm going to teach you on how to make analysis on your TradingView. So many people text me, so Stanley, how do I go about making analysis on my TradingView? How do I enter into a trade and all that? So firstly, you need to make analysis on the TradingView platform, and many people do not know how to go about the analysis and all that. Analysis is something simple. So we'll go to the charts right now, and then I'll show you how the analysis is being made, and also how you can pick your zones and everything, and then you enter into a trade on your MetaTrader 5 or your trading platform. So stay tuned and look at how it's done. So make a simple analysis on your TradingView platform in order to plot your zones and all that to make a trade. So let's go into our web browser. As I said earlier on, this is our TradingView, and so let me refresh it. TradingView, remove all drawings. Okay, so TradingView, this is it. And so I'm on a 1 hour time frame. 4 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. I'm just going to use a simple method or technique in order to enter into or to make my analysis. Or I already have an analysis on this gold. So gold has been my go-to platform for trading almost all the time. So let me go to GBP/JPY. And also I think there is a news. Okay, so there is a news at the moment, and so let me check what is happening, the fundamental analysis, before I come to the technical analysis. So Forex factory, and let's go to calendar 7th. Okay, so on the 7th it's 3 p.m. yeah, 3:11 p.m. Okay, so the news has already happened. So it was on USD. So yeah, the news has already happened, and so we have the freedom to enter into a trade. So let me go to GBP/JPY and then use a simple method to analyze the market, and then see what you can grasp. I'm not going to teach you everything today. I can't teach every method. Everybody has a way of trading, so I'm just going to teach you a little basic understanding, and that is what the floor and ceiling method, or what they call demand and supply, or what they call support and resistance. So it's the same kind of system of trading. And so basically my tools, looking at the lows, these are the low. Plotting out my lows and my, I don't normally like plotting them with, just say, some people do plot their zones like this. Maybe they pick a line and then make them like this, and so this is their low. Okay, this is their low, and then this is their high. This is their high. So yeah, but I normally don't like, if we are looking at the extreme low, there's an extreme low, but then there's immediate low. So there are other lows that you can also map, but markets coming down to all those sides are very difficult. So very difficult zones. So this is the low, and this is our major high. Okay, yeah, our all-time high. Yeah, that is our all-time high. And so what actually is market doing? As I said, we are going to be trading purely price action. So what am I seeing? Understanding what the market was doing. So let me pick the part 2. This was a down, this was a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, low, high, came to give us a low, gave us a high, low, high. a low, and then I think it can give us a high. And so what am I seeing? Looking at it, I've been able to simplify the thing to my eyes. I could just um, I've just simplified. There was a pull here, so I've just simplified it to my eyes. And so what I am seeing here, the market actually pulled down from this place. Let me pick this and give us this. Give us a very strong sell. Okay, that was a very strong sell. We had the correction, a pull down, correction, a pull down, correction, a pull down. These were all sells. That was a bearish movement or a downtrend. Okay, but when it hits this, it came down to this place from the high and created this low here. So now let me map out my sort of, well, let me say demand zone here. This is a demand zone. So when it hit this demand zone, market began to buy. And so when market bought, it then gave us a pullback and then continued its buying, pulled back, continued buying, gave a pullback, but pull back. So what are we looking at? SMCs. Where are SMCs? Where are SMCs? Smart money concepts people. Where are you? We have so we have all these here. Let me make it this place. This is looking an M shape. So with this an M, and so there was a sell. And so this is our major these are all internal break. Okay, internal break of structure. Sorry, not a break of structure. This is not a break of structure. So sorry, it's an uptrend. So I made a mistake looking at the lows. So we come here. I actually I nearly messed the whole analysis up, but it's all parts. And yeah, so this looks like a double top also. Okay, this looks like a double top here. And so this is a break of structure. Now a double top here came down. Now the market has not been able to break this high, and this high is also a very important zone here. Let's look at it's a very important zone at this part. So that is where the market is at now. So we can now see another structure being formed here. So overall, this is a buy, a pullback, and all these ones are buys. Okay, but then there are movements in it. So just you have to train your eye to not to just forget about some of these skirmishes inside the market and see the bigger picture. So this is actually a low. Okay, this is actually a low, a very very strong low, and this is also a strong low. Okay, so one, market, when market is in a buy movement, they break highs, and when market is in a sell movement, they break lows. Okay, so they break the higher lows, and then when a market is in a buy, they break the higher highs. So looking at this, this is a higher high, and then market came to break this higher high here, gave us another high. This is a low, market came down, created a low, and pushed back to break the higher highs. Now came back to this place and gave us a double top. Whenever you see a double top, market can actually give you a signal that there is a reversal. Whenever there's a double top, there is a reversal. Double tops can be a signal for reversals, especially in a higher time frame. So I'm making my analysis in a 4-hour time frame. I don't like making my analysis in the 15 minutes and the 30 minutes, because in that zones there can be a lot of manipulation there. So in a 1 hour, 4 hour, you see the bigger picture and be able to enter into the 15 minutes and the 30 minutes for your entry or your exit of trade. So entry and exit. And so this is the whole bigger picture here. So market actually created a double top here and then gave us a very strong sell to the down. But market broke this internal low here. It was an internal low, but then it's a low also. So market, we can say this is a change of character. Okay. SMC, smart money concept will say this is a change of character. So a change of character here means that market can actually begin to sell. But then when a change character, looking at it very closely, market actually pushed back again and then began to buy. That's why you have to be careful. This I can call after the sell, when it got to this place, give us a double bottom. Okay, but then this side can be a liquidity sweep in which it will liquidate people who actually understand that the market has actually given us a kind of a double bottom here, which means that market is going to buy. But then to get people out of the market or kick people out of the market, there will be a liquidity sweep to create a liquidity. Or market could have been planning to just come to this zone, when if market should have pushed to this place, it's also a double bottom which market could have pushed to the top again. Okay, and so you always watch the market for market to give you the signs and everything. And so if market could have broken and come to this place and also broken this zone, this will be our next target. Yeah, so our next target, before, these are all demand zones. So this is what we call the support and resistance. So when we say support and resistance, the zones where it's as simple as the demand. So this is the demand zone where buyers are waiting to buy, and then this is a supply zone where sellers are waiting to sell down, or if the buyers are too much, they break it to the another what zone where sellers are actually waiting to sell from this side. So this is a supply, this is a supply, this is a demand zone, a demand zone where buyers are waiting for market to enter, and then they buy. So this is what we call the support. When market enters into a support zone, we actually enter into a buying movement. This is a resistance. Okay, so these are resistance. These resist the movement to the top, so they are resisting the movement to the top. So when you are able to break a resistance, then it becomes a support now for another resistance. So every time market enters into a resistance zone, we are actually looking for a sell. And so this is basically how to make a simple analysis on the market. So looking at this, I'm looking at a very bigger picture here. Now I can actually classify this market also here. This here, let me pick the rectangle. This here, what can you see? I can see a very huge inverse head and shoulder, with this place being a neckline. sometimes the structure might not be too clear, but then you must, it's not how you see it in the textbooks. Yeah, so this is the neckline. If the market should hit this place, I am anticipating the market is going to move from this place and enter into a buy. So I'm anticipating that GBP JPY is going to buy from this place if market should enter into a zone of 199.514, and then market is going to hit this zone. So let me set the parameters. It is a buy. So if market enters this place, I set my stop loss on a 4-hour time frame. Let me set my stop loss to, let me set my stop loss to, let's say, this place. And if it's so I shoot to the top here. Why am I setting a stop loss to this place? But I could go to the 50 minutes in order to place my trade, but then this is where I'm targeting that the market will enter. Any pullback beyond, this will be the zone where market might decide to just test again, decide to come and test this zone. And so yeah, my stop loss will be around this place, and then maybe I enter when there is a pullback a little bit, or maybe it's just enters into it a little and give a rejection, and then you see the whole bigger picture here. So that is it for the analysis. This is a simple analysis that I have made. Yeah, I actually add a lot of stuff to make my analysis. So thank you for watching. Yeah, so thank you for watching this YouTube video. I know that right now you can be able to plot your zones and all that. You can be able to make analysis on your TradingView platform, and also be able to use the same analysis to enter into a trade on your MetaTrader 5. So thank you for watching this YouTube video. I know and I believe that you are going to be trading very well and be able to plot in your zones very well from today. So thank you for watching it, and see you on the next video.